Are you tired of missing important emails on your iPhone? Do you want to make sure that you get notified right away when a new email arrives in your inbox? In this video, I will teach you how to turn on notifications for mail on your iPhone so that you can stay up to date with all of your emails. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone, then scroll down a little bit and tap on Mail. Once you are on this page, you will see that the second option is Notifications. So go ahead and tap on that. As you can see, all notifications for the Mail app are currently disabled. So if you want to enable notifications for the Mail app, simply toggle this on and check these three. Lock screen, notification center, and banners, just make sure everything is turned on. And if you want to hear a chime every time you get new emails, tap on sounds and select any alert tone that you like. So this is for the default email app on your iPhone. For some reason, if you don't use it and instead use the Gmail app to send and receive emails, go back and scroll down a little bit and tap on Gmail. After that, tap on Notifications and simply toggle this on. Allow notifications. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.